Experiencing a black screen or no audio in your Mahindra infotainment system can be frustrating. These issues often stem from software glitches, overheating, or connectivity problems. Common causes include software glitches, overheating, or connectivity problems. The first step is a hard reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts. For black screens, ensure proper ventilation to prevent overheating, especially in hot weather. If audio is the problem, check Bluetooth connections and try repairing your device. Mahindra has released several OTA updates. Latest is version 2.5.8 as of July 2025 that specifically address these issues. Ensure your system is up to date. For older models lacking OTA, a dealership visit may be necessary. Error codes like E1001 can provide more specific diagnostics. Use the vehicle's onboard diagnostics or Mahindra's app. These problems account for 15 to 20% of Mahindra customer complaints. If basic fixes like hard resets and software updates don't resolve the infotainment issues, start with checking the fuses. Check the fuses related to the audio system in the engine bay. Ensure they are intact and properly connected. Next, ensure all wiring connections to the infotainment unit are secure and not loose. For persistent issues like black screens, a hardware defect may be present in the system. Log a complaint through the My Mahindra app for assistance. Check if your vehicle is affected by any recalls for hardware defects. If the problem continues or you're uncomfortable with DIY fixes, seek professional servicing from a Mahindra dealership to avoid voiding your warranty. Experts recommend against DIY hacks that could damage the ECU. Recurring issues may indicate the need for a system replacement, particularly in older models.